Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just an update on the freight issues that we're currently having. We've just received an official announcement statement from FedEx. So this mainly impacts our international customers where they have actually closed the Melbourne airport hub for the short term due to, in their words, on account of COVID-19. So they're doing, I'm assuming, a deep clean and all that sort of stuff. So they're out of action for a few days, a number of days, and they've obviously got a backlog that's going to cause as well. So they're indicating, although this hasn't been stated in writing, they're indicating that for this week they won't be doing any pickups from us. So if you're one of our international customers, I do apologise, but you may find that your freight doesn't leave until late this week or even early next week. Now, on a domestic front, it also impacts because FedEx owns TNT. So from a domestic front, it can actually impact us. And I know that there is at least one delivery of items sitting out at Melbourne Airport that we can't get access to because of the lockdown there. So just be patient. Like I said, we'll keep updating you as we go along. It is impacting our international stuff for outbound things, and there's going to be potential impact on inbound stuff for domestic as well as international. That's it. Just want to keep you abreast of all information. Talk again soon.